31st of January 2026. We were promised a decent lawn more than 18 months ago. This is not in any way a decent lawn. This patch here has been gradually eaten away by water dripping off that, going in there and just washing it away. About a month or 6 weeks ago, some turfs were brought out about this big, you know, shovel size, from somewhere else and transplanted into here. They grew well for about a week or 2 weeks, and then that's what's happened, they just disappeared again. This is Western Australia. It's notorious for sand dunes, and sand, it doesn't hold water and it doesn't hold nutrients very well at all. It's been top dressed and it's had nutrients applied. As you can see, virtually no effect. There are some green patches. And some very dry patches. That's hot on my fingers, hot and dry. Some bushes were ripped up down here not so long ago, so it's rejuvenating itself very slowly. I googled this the other day, WA sand issue. They say that it has to be dug up for 100 to 150 mils, the sand removed and proper soil put down, and also different grass. They recommend zoysia because it can handle the WA weather. There was no mention of winter grass, which this is. Winter grass is notorious for dying off in the summer and getting green in the winter. So, there you are.